Have you been searching for the perfect pickup truck with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2020 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 RST in Summit White. With LED headlamps, front fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, LED tail lamps, tow package, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 16,000 miles on the odometer, 8-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, split folding rear seats, 5.3-liter V8 engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 63928.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.